Well, howdy, y'all. It's Farmer Jim here, and you won't believe it. It's time yet again for the great chili cook-off, where me and multiple other people will be making a special chili. This chili cook-off is hosted by the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. But you know I always have to watch out for that Nellie Tinkle and what chili she's gonna make. This year, she's making a pickle marshmallow chili. Well, I'm gonna beat her. I'm making a cornflake chocolate chili. Let's do it. Start with a pot. Let's melt 2 tablespoons of butter. I've chopped 3 onions that I'm gonna cook in that butter. Allow it to soften. And a tablespoon of garlic. Next, you need to add a pound of beef. Well, I'm sorry to report, but I just lost my prized cow, Snooky. So instead, to celebrate her life, I'll be using the vegetarian beef. You don't have to do this. Snooky was like family to me. I'm gonna season it with some cumin, chili powder, and oregano. I'm adding 2 cans of Italian-style diced tomatoes, a can of drained kidney beans, 2 cups of water, and let's mix that up. I'll just let this simmer for a bit. Once simmering, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix that in. I'll allow this to cook for a little bit. Now it's time for the star of the show. I need some cornflakes. I need to crush and have about a cup of crushed cornflakes. Give them a crush. Add them and mix them in the pot. We've got ourselves a winning chili. Here we go. That's a great chili. It has a very hidden chocolate sweetness. It's a good chili and would be perfect topped with more cornflakes. The cornflakes gave it a nice thickness. I give this chili an 8.0 out of 10. I'll get you, Nellie Tinkle, and I hope I win the blue ribbon today. Thank you so much, Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. Check my description and you'll see more chilies. I was just reminiscing about this beautiful herb garden I had when I was a child. Good times.